Hello everyone, welcome to Hard Reset channel. In today's video I want to show you how to hide your phone number when making calls on your OPPO Find X7. So first, open your phone app on OPPO Find X7 and here click star hashtag 31 and then star and now call it. And here it says hide outgoing caller ID and now caller ID defaults to restricted. Now click on OK, and if you want to make your number visible again, then simply press hashtag 31 and hashtag. And as you can see, hide outgoing caller ID service has been disabled. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.